Well guys, we got a new project today, and this is the Pro Series 5-burner gas griddle. My wife has been wanting a gas griddle versus the regular barbecue grill, and they had one in Sam's Club last week, and I told her if you don't get it now, it won't be here when you come back. So we came back, and guess what? It was gone. So we had them check in another store, and they had a couple still left in another community, so we had to drive to go get it, and now we're going to be putting it together. Well, this little unit is together. Checking out this Pro Series 5-burner gas griddle. The food on this picture looks good. 720 square inches of total cooking area. 5 304 stainless steel burners. Total of 47,500 total BTUs. Hot rolled steel cooking surface, front access grease catch can tray, and foldable shelves, along with the durable griddle cover. So the whole package comes together for quick assembly and easy assembly. Find the 3D instructions for this product. Well, there you go. See, I skipped all that. So you can pull the tray out for front access grease catch, foldable sides, stainless steel hinge lid. Yeah, it's pretty massive cover. And this griddle's pretty big too. So you can do a lot of cooking on this griddle. My wife, she's been wanting a griddle top stove for the backyard for a long time. We have the regular grill, and they had one, Sam's Club had one like this without the lid, without the shelves, a little smaller, but I wanted one that you could cover it up and put the lid down on it. So the only thing that was missing, there was 2 rubber silicone high temp bump stops that seemed to be busted up in the box. Now maybe I can get those from the manufacturer, maybe I can't. But all in all, let's see if we can roll this around and get a better look. My garage is a mess. Came packaged well, except like I said, it did have a dent in it. We're in a non-visible area. So, there we are, guys. So you got these nice handles with igniters. It's got one click to ignite, different from the battery operated ones that go tick tick tick. Oh, that's right, there's a couple storage rods I got to put down here, and then that's where the tank goes. So here's a look at the drip tray. Pull that out, and the top is adjustable, so you adjust these nuts on these threaded rods till you get this so that the grease runs down the way you want, wherever you end up situating your grill. The magnetic catches on the doors work good. And I have to say the doors fit good. Nice looking unit. Nice looking unit. It's a big piece of stainless, that top, and the shelves also. Now, we'll have to see my wife cook on it. There you have it. Pro Series member mark, griddle top.